What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Sebastian with RevPass 6000. So this will be part 3 of the 350Z 6.0 LS build, and all the parts have finally came in. So today we'll be heading down to Auto Revive to put some more parts and goodies on this car, and hopefully we can get this thing started with the wiring harness and the ECU that's been reflashed by Wiring Specialties. So hang tight.
Because the man got him a little pit bike, right? I said, hey, we'll get it running. I got you. Let's do this. Just needs the carbs clean. Start cleaning the carbs. This man says, nah, fuck that. I'm drilling that bitch out. Drills it out, puts it back on.
Doesn't run.
Doesn't run for shit. It won't even start.
Did you drill it too big?
Yeah.
Oh, did he drill it too big? He might as well just freaking took the jet out completely. He just said, fuck it.
What's a jet?
Like, he was just like, all the fuel in the world. No air, but all the fuel in the world.
I'm not mad about that decision. That was to give it more power, baby.
But it doesn't run.
For 30 minutes.
Does he though?
Yeah. Nothing.
Love you.
But I like the hot fences better.
What?
Shout out to Tony and Marissa, you know, me busting over here making that shit happen.
Yeah, can't say the same about you all.
You know,
Being hookers.
At the moment he takes the camera away, obtains high five.
You don't get a high five on camera. That's not allowed. That's too good for you. Yeah. Guys, help Eli with his dreads. Give him some dread fun. I thought that was a piece of wire in your hair for a second, but it's not.
oh, am I going gray?
Yeah, you are. You deserve it. It's how I show you that I care about you.
Not right there.
Did he just use a Phillips head?
No, I used a pick. And I was like, why isn't this working?
Because you're using a pick, Brian. By the way, guys, please buy my stock radiator. Oh, it's a Mishimoto. Please buy it.
I got a lot of them. Because I don't want to stab your finger. I'd rather be mine.
Oh, thank you, because I don't want to get stabbed either.
I want to see someone get stabbed.
Alright, hold still.
Someone, not me.
I can't continue right now.
Funny part is, I'll do it.
You just like stabbing people, don't you? I'm gonna start calling you Stabby Stab. Yeah, you like that name.
I was telling Sam about
Approved by Caesar.
Christmas, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Easter,
And COVID-19.
and COVID-19.
Because it's pretty much in the spot where we had it before.
It's actually
Yeah. Oh, it's in all the way. Yeah. It's because of my good cutting. You saw that?
because the shitty ass cutting on one side, and then not far enough on the other
You
side.
tell me we were fucking
See
around
that?
with this thing this whole time?
See that? You see how it's like right there?
Yeah.
And then you flip to this side, and that big ass fucking gap. Motherfucker needs to learn how to cut straight.
Actually laughed about it.
No, that's not you.
Straight though.
put it through the hole?
Oh, never mind, guys. Eli's swole Eli. He's gonna get it in barehanded.
To be honest with you, I lost the wrench.
Jackass.
I'll put it back in the door.
Okay.
That's what she said. Oh, this baby has work on her now. Radiator and shit. But you can't see it. Alright guys, so the Z's fuel lines is ran. Basically everything that's supposed to be connected, the wiring harness, everything is connected. So we just have a few things left to do to tidy this thing up. Wiring harness won't stay like that. We're going to tidy that up as well. And then put air intake in here. We got the mass airflow sensor connected. It's going to go over here. And the air intake is going to do a 9-degree bend, come through to the mass airflow sensor and come back out to the front bumper. We mocked these up pretty good where the oil coolers will be. And yeah, this car will be complete and ready to run soon. So stay tuned. This was just episode 3, part 3.